Hello friends, we already know that GATE registration has been started. So there is a roadmap for CS IT students for GATE exam. There is some subjects, which is there is 10 subjects for GATE exam. The first one, engineering mathematics, where discrete mathematics, linear algebra, calculus and probability, statistics, digital logic, computer organization and architecture, programming and data structure, algorithm, theory of computation, compiler design, operating system, database and computer network. So there is only 5 months left for GATE exam. In February, starting 4 of February, there is should be exam. So we have only 5 months left for preparation. So we have to make a strict roadmap for preparation. Get a high score, get IITs and NITs for MTech. For the roadmap, there is 10 subjects. You have divided we will have to divide 10 subjects, and 5 months there are 2 subjects per month. So there is a 15 days left for each subject. So we should start preparing. We should start preparing for exam. So the first subject is engineering mathematics. In engineering mathematics, there is approx 4 topics: discrete mathematics, algebra, calculus and probability. If we tell me about me, I have covered discrete mathematics. Actually, I am a student of PW or Akram batch 2025, but I have backlogs, so I have not completed all subjects still. I have only completed discrete mathematics and digital logic. All topics I have covered till date, and theory of computation. That's all. Only these 2 subjects fully completed till date. Now I am learning algorithms and programming data structure. 2 subjects are running parallel in 2 days. So these are the topics which we have covered and completed, but these topics are needed of revisions. I have not revision these subjects, so this need of revision of discrete mathematics, digital logics, and TOC, theory of computation. Only these 2 subjects and these discrete mathematics topics I have covered. Now I have a plan for the roadmap plan for study in 5 months. Now I am covering C programming nowadays, and in which we have covered not till now. In data structure I have covered recursion and array and algorithm. We are still waiting for algorithm, not started yet, but I still in after 2 or 3 days I will start algorithm. These 2 topics we watch parallels. So in 25 days we have covered all those topics, all these subjects, and then there is a live class at 6:30 in which we are learning computer network. Basically, in computer there is a basics have covered till now. There is only computer network classes is started before 7 or 8 days ago. So there is only basic topics are covered. So there is a live class should be for computer networks, and there is a self-study of recorded lectures because I have backlogs from programming structure and algorithm. So these two subjects and this subject comparative we have covered in September. So you have to make your own roadmap for preparation. In these 5 months, there should be a strict roadmap. Because there's a limited time for getting the 5 months is almost sufficient if you have give 15 or 14 or 15 hours per day or get to score above 60 or 70 marks in GATE. Actually this is my first or second video, so I am feared or not able to talk fluently. There is hesitation. Actually we are creating a videos for to overcome my hesitation problem. We are not able to speak fluent videos or in front of someone. So that's why I think we should create a videos in my own language. I prefer English because I also want to improve my English speaking. So I use English. Actually, we want to upload this video without editing the sound. Means so you should also know about how there is a problem we face when creating a video, or we want what problems we face when we create a first video or first presentation. So that's why you should also know your problems. If you have same problems like me, or not able to explain in front to anyone like that fluently, so you should also create YouTube channels and any other videos, or in front of mirrors you can do something to try to speak English. Okay, I am finishing the video.